Guys. Good morning. Welcome back to our channel. Medyo ano ngayon dito guys. Sana ihubog siya ba? Kasi kumain ako ng allergy. Kumain ako ng pagkain kahapon, kagabi na bawal. Kasi masarap talaga guys. Masarap. At itong napala ko. Pagkagising ko, ayan. Akala ko kalmot lang siya kagabi. Yun pala na maganap yung umaga lang. Ang pagkagising ko, namagana siya dito. So, ayan, time check, it's 6:30 in the morning. Kakaligo ko lang guys kasi kahapon wala akong naligo. Di ako naligo. As in, sobrang busy ako kahapon. Dami akong inaasikaso. Nag-prepare ako sa papers ba, na yung sinasabi ko na about sa Hong Kong. And then, today, alam nyo guys, nung about sa corned beef kahapon, tiningnan ko yung beef loaf din guys. Parang ayoko nang kumain ng mga lata. Yung mga processed na foods gani. Parang bang natatakot. Hindi naman sa iyo na natatakot. Kasi, if you're talking food talaga, you need to think the safety. The safety and the the health of your consumer, diba? So, yung nakita namin sa guys, sa corned beef na may QR code, ang hirap naman talaga nun, oy. May bacteria. Kasi nasa laman ng loob, sa loob pa ng lata, together with the food. Bacteria, contaminate, yung nahalo doon. At nag-open pa kami ng isa kahapon kasi si Habi, as in, sobrang gutom na talaga guys. Yung mga dilata talaga is, number one talaga natin na madali na itong lutuin ba sa breakfast. Ay, naluluka ako. Nalutuan ko pa si Habi kahapon ng isa. Wala namang guys. Pero nag-think ako baka isa din yan sa mga na kasama nung nahalo ba. Pero hindi ko talaga alam guys. Hindi rin siguro mali na pinost ko yan sa FB kasi for awareness naman for everyone ha. Yan talaga. Hindi rin ako gumagawa ba. Andyan pa yung lata and then the crazy thing lang why parang uulan. Yung lang guys, yung problema is kami pa ang papupuntahin doon. Ang problema ngayon, walang maiwan ni Danny. Si Bibi busy. Si Jake want to go to school kasi malapit na yung exam. Magre-review sila palagi. Hindi ko talaga alam guys. Pero napus ko na siya eh. Bahala na.
Bahala na si Batman.
Dapat talaga mag-iingat sa mga ganyan ba? Kasi madami kayong mga suki, madaming mga tao na bibili sa mga produkto nyo kasi masarap. Since Danny arrived 2014 here in Philippines guys, yan yung corned beef na favorite talaga niyang natikman. I let him taste 4 kinds of corned beef, but yan talaga yung napili niya. Expensive yun guys ha. Except na lang sa mga corned beef na 50 plus above, di ako bumibili kasi sobrang mahal naman yan guys. So, yan yung sa apat na pinatikin ko, yan yung the expensive one for me kasi nasa baba lang ng 50. Yan pa talaga yung nakadismaya kay Happy kahapon guys. And then, kaunti lang yung kinain niya. Si Ate Merlin, kaunti lang din. Na talaga, natapon yung pagkain. Kasi kahapon, nung nakita ko sa page nila, may nagreklamo din na isa na, pero a year ago pa yun, parang a year ago. Nakita ko yung isa na holiday na color blue, na corned beef. Yung ano guys, yung nakita ko yung mga balahibo. Doon ako na nagsusuka at saka si Bibi nagsusuka din kahapon. Kaming dalawa. Panay kaming nagkuntisay ng ano. Ay, kakaloka. Hindi ako from breakfast to lunch guys, hindi ako kumain. Kasi parang iba yung nararamdaman ko na ano sa tiyan. Nawala na ako ng gana, yung gano'n. Ay. Kung saan man to pupunta yung ano, yung pag-post ko, God bless na lang. At paghahandaan ko rin naman yan. Siguro for me lang, hindi rin ako nagkakamali. And then I asked an advice also to my friends if about this, the one that I post. The good thing lang is, no, not a good thing. Ang akin lang is for awareness sa mga tao na yan, na hindi talaga siya safe. Kasi may ano na ano sa loob, yung gano'n. Nakadami na ako ng shares at daming comments. So, hindi ko alam. Binigyan kami ng schedule na papuntahin kami ng Monday. Hindi ko talaga alam guys. Kasi walang maiwan sa pasyente ko guys. Si Danny, ipa-flash ko dito ano na talagang sitwasyon ni Danny kung maglakad. Tapos iiwan ko just for that. So, gusto ko sila ang pupunta. Dahil may pasyente ako sila. Ano lang naman. If they can let come one of their staff na pupunta dito sa bahay, okay lang. Basta ang sa akin na si Danny yung ano guys, yung mag-isa sa bahay ba, kakalo. Pero ano lang talaga guys, para bang na ano ako na realize ko guys, mas mabuti talaga yung maggulay-gulay kaysa may kumakain ka pa ng lata, hindi mo alam. Pwera na lang sa yung mga malinis dyan ba na safe talaga yung mga ginagawa nilang pagkain. Kung mapunta man to kay Jessica Soho, wala. Be ready sa interview. Hindi ko no? Diyan ako na nervous baka pero hindi naman, sabi ng mga kaibigan ko, hindi naman daw kasi you let the people to be aware lang kung ano ba talaga yung mga kinakain natin na processing foods ba yan? Yes, sabi. So, right the day, say good morning.
Good morning.
Right the day you just eat a little bit of the corned beef that we open another one.
You open another corned beef.
Yeah. And then you just eat a little bit. Better na lang natin because we need to make the interval for the inside. So, ayan. Dismaya talaga kami guys. Kasi favorite pa naman yun ni Happy na corned beef.
Well, I like corned beef
That's-
when it doesn't have tag in it.
And then we send them an email, right? Through
Send them an
customer care at sunpride.net.
Send
Wala.
an email to 2 different places.
Wala silang response.
Try to call them. They finally turned their phone off. Finally got through to a recording, and the recording guard picked it up and called us back and told us what to do next.
Then they are the one let us go in there. But make me think, if who gonna stay with Danny,
Hmm.
Bibi is busy, Jacob need to go to school dahil sa exam, coming exam nila. Hindi ko talaga alam, guys. So, maybe if we can contact them again, that's the one reason that I need to tell them that nobody gonna look for my husband, and I don't want to go in there alone. You know why? You need a witness
Of
that
what you find.
because might be they gonna think that I'm just making a story. Well, I have a lot of proofs here in my phone. I make a video, something like that. So let's see. Ano ko pa yan? Kasi we are here in Negros. I need to go in Mandawi, Cebu. That's really far to
Yeah.
travel. And,
Take all day.
and my husband really need me every day. Go for CR,
Yeah,
giving
so
food, taking care.
the
Because,
only way she can go is if Jacob can stay home.
yeah, but Jacob don't want to make an absent a bit for the
Oh,
coming
really?
exam. Dami na kasi siya, ano daw,
So,
mga na behind na lesson.
and everybody else is busy.
So, ayan, nakagawa lang kami ng video, guys, about sa corned beef kahapon. And then, our situation, if we gonna go to Cebu, nobody gonna look for Danny. I really don't know. I want them to come here in my place. Because if they're going to think the situation of my husband rather than their I know how very important their product, right? So I want them to come here. Because in my situation, guys, I'm looking for the situation of my husband. You know, to those people that know my husband, what's the real situation in his health. So, ayan. He's 76 years old. Have a problem in the leg. Have a high blood.
Have a what?
High blood. Then, the right leg is sometimes the strength go. The steps that he can reach lang, guys, the more steps, it's 15 steps lang talaga, and then gonna be cripple, something like that. So if he will be alone here, for the sake, where's my pity for my husband, right? So I hope they gonna understand, and if they really want to make negotiation with me, they will be the one to come in my house,
Yeah.
and not me to go in there.
The only time that I'm alone here has to be for just a short time, like 2 hours or so.
Yes. Always talaga si Danin tumatawag sa akin, guys.
Those 2 hours I can make being alone, because I don't have to get up and go get anything to eat, and
No need
everything's fine.
no need to worry about in my part, because all what we have conversation yesterday, I make a record. And yeah, let's see where it goes. Hindi naman ako natatakot, guys, kasi we are a consumer, right? Consumer to their product. That's supposed to be, if they really care with their product, the health of their consumer, that will be good. Number one rule in the company talaga, especially for the food, the health of your consumer, the safety ba?
Well, if you don't have a good product and good safety rules for what you put in your cans, and your consumer gets sick, how many times are you going to get sued?
And then what we found out yesterday, it's a QR code,
Yep, it's
plastic,
a QR code.
a label, yellow label talaga siya, guys. Medyo na kami kasi yung nasa lata, kung magkasama yung inopen namin na isa, sobrang masarap naman. Ano na yung nasa laman niyan? Bacteria, contaminate, kasi plastic. So yun. And then for how many how many days that inside together with the food. Eh, malaki talaga silang pananagutan yan.
Mhm. And it's not just replacing that one can because it happened in that can. How many other cans coming off the line happened? I think their quality service at their wherever they're canning needs to be really, really checked out.
So maybe mag-flash out lang ako ng konti about the corned beef. Because na-upload ko na siya kahapon, parang 12 something or 11 something ata yun na-upload ko. Basta yesterday ko siya na-upload kasi wala silang concern sa mga na-email ni Habi, walang reply. Kaya in-upload ko. And for the upload is for awareness naman talaga for everyone about sa laptop. So, ayan. And, dito si Jacob, guys. Ayan.
Morning, guys.
Good morning.
Ito yung kakagising lang, guys, kasi walang supply. Walang supply sa bahay, guys. Kakaligo ko lang, wala rin supply. So, ayan. Nandaan kami ng kape at saka tea. At, I really don't know. So, what you can say about the corned beef yesterday after you see it?
After you see it, I'm not eating that.
After he saw it yesterday, guys, loading si Jake kahapon, parang zzzz. Kasi favorite niya yan, guys. Sometimes he eat na hindi niya ininit ba? Wala niya giinit, wala niya gipreheat sa kanang kuan. Di ba, Kubi? Kilawon ra niya. But after he saw yesterday, that's the result of the corned beef. Parang ayaw na niyang bumili. Ayaw na niyang kumain ng mga corned beef. Parang nakakaming na kahapon. Kasi nung tinignan natin sa page, di ba, may sa holiday na color blue din. May balahibo. Para bang But a year ago pa yun. A year ago. Nakita ko yung nila na nasa page. Well, anyway, dito na muna yung mga komento natin. I think I just do my part. Let's see kung saan talaga hahantong yung yung dinownload ko kahapon. Madami na tayong shares at saka views. Lang talaga yung mga ibang comments dun na dismay kasi favorite din pala nila. Masarap din pala daw yung corned beef. Pero nung nakita, ayan. So, let's see, and I will really try to contact to the main office again. Kasi, yung guys, yung sitwasyon talaga ni Happy, hindi ko alam. Papasok si Jacob sa school, si Bibi busy. So, let's see what's going on, and I will just make an update with you. Okay? So, please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe if you really like our videos most of the time. Kung na-entertainment namin kayo, or especially me when I do the vlog, we really appreciate everything what you've done and support of our channel, guys, especially to those people not skipping our ads. Since from the start and until finish the videos na may ads talaga, thank you for not skipping.